Hello, this video shows our first cockpit application, which is the Fleet Commander. Fleet Commander, of course, has existed for some time already, but now we have all the bits and pieces in place to install it via Cockpit as an application. This is my regular laptop with released versions of everything, so this is a reality and not a fake demo. Here's the applications tool. Right now we see that nothing is available yet, but there is a new version of the metadata lurking in the repositories, and we can install it or update it. And there it is. There's Fleet Commander. And it has some rudimentary information now. But let's just install it. It's installed and we can start it. I don't have any good environment here to use it in, so this is all we get. But Cockpit's job is done at this point. Of course, you can also remove it again. Yeah, thanks a lot.